guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my new favorite fall dessert recipe, which is pumpkin oatmeal cookie bars with sea salt chocolate and almonds on top. That's like a huge mouthful, but it's honestly just like so indulgent and amazing, but of course still vegan. So that is everything I have to say for now. Let's get into the recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. When I posted the pretzel video, I got some people messaging me with photos of their pretzels like a couple hours after I posted it. So I know that you guys are loving the fall baking recipes. If you make these, make sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I am at itslivb. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!